Project number 7, Tamarack City. It's a 1906 kit home from Wardway Homes. We acquired this property at a tax sale 2019. With project number 7 of 8 total planned for Michigan. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We're replacing the roof, new siding. So we put a new door system in the back. We built the shed. We've got a 2x24 garage going up right here. A cement platform, so forth. It's a job in progress. Constantly moving. Stuff coming in, stuff going out. This property had 2 houses on it. And part of the deal was to do a demolition on the other front house, which has now been set up as a second property. So I split the lot. So that's where the new house is going to go up in the front. So we've got basically our siding operation here, saws and so forth. Built a wooden scaffolding system that's going to go all the way up to the roof. Got that up in about 2.5 hours, very minimal cost. Got our painting and drying racks for the siding, and a number of things going on here. You can see this house has double dormers. We've been into this renovation about 12 weeks, and we've got about 8 weeks left to get it done, including some of the upgrades we decided to do.